Descript versus Wisecut. Which AI video editor is better? Let's get started. So first we have Descript. It's an all-in-one AI audio and video editor with text-based editing, transcription, overdubbing, screen recording, and multi-track editing. Now Wisecut, on the other hand, is an AI video editing tool made for quick, automatic edits focused on cutting silences, auto-subtitling, and background music, intersect syncing. So let's talk about the pros. So the script offers a text-based editing. They have edit video by editing the transcript. They also have overdub voice cloning, which is great for podcasts, tutorials, and interviews. They also have a multi-track timeline for deeper editing control, screen recording, and remote collaboration tools. Now, WhatScut, on the other hand, offers you an auto-remove silences and add jump cuts instantly. They also have auto subtitles and then some translation plus voice dubbing. It's also fast and easy, which is perfect for short videos, courses, and reels. So, in conclusion, choose WiseCut if you're a lightweight, fast AI editor, and choose Descript if you want a powerful video and audio studio with deep features like voice cloning.